Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn any website into mobile mode in Microsoft Edge. So just as there is desktop mode on cell phones, there is also cell phone mode for desktop. But today, we will do this procedure through Microsoft Edge. Before we start the video, I really wanted to ask you your help by subscribing to my channel. This is very important to me. Let's get started. I'm going to open the YouTube website to show you an example. I'm going to leave YouTube the same as the cell phone version. We can see that YouTube is normally in computer mode. The first thing we will do to change YouTube to the same as the cell phone version, click on the three dots in the top corner of the screen. Note that several settings will appear here. Move your mouse pointer to the end of this list until an option written Additional Tools appears. Another list will appear on the side. Click on the last option, where it says Developer Tools. See that a series of settings will open on the right side of the screen. But don't worry, to switch the website to mobile mode, just click on one button. The button you will click is the one that has the image of a computer and a cell phone. Click on this option. Now, YouTube is in cell phone mode. It's not exactly the same as the current YouTube app, but several features are the same as cell phones. We can even drag the screen as if it were with the finger, remembering that this option is not just for YouTube, but for any website that has a cellular mode enabled on it. Practically 99% of websites have this option. When you want to switch back to computer mode, just click the same button as before, and it will automatically change. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.